Coming to you from the Hyundai Virtual Next Weather Sphere, this is Next Weather.
Heading straight to Kate now with what we need to be concerned about for this severe weather later today, Kate.
Yeah, we have a next weather alert for the afternoon and evening, especially, Janelle. Your morning commute not impacted by this, but here's what you need to know for later today. Next weather alert for heavy and severe thunderstorms. Heavy rain, probably the biggest widespread threat. Many spots could end up with over 2 inches of rain and the risk for flash flooding. Damaging straight line winds, a big concern as well with these storms coming through, especially around the city and points south this afternoon and evening, and an isolated tornado risk as well. We're in a slightly enhanced tornado threat zone. Our area has been highlighted for that. So here's a look at the system heading our way. The warm front breaking out across western Pennsylvania already. The cold front still back towards Cincinnati and moving eastward. And again, the timing of this is going to be basically 2 p.m. through 9 p.m. But I think the focus of it is right at about 5 o'clock this afternoon, right at the worst part of the commute. So we're in a level 2 risk for severe weather now. And here's that enhanced tornado risk as well. This is where you see the brown there. That's a 5% tornado risk today. Generally, when we get a severe thunderstorm risk zone, we don't have any tornado risk. It's not all that common, as you know, here in Philadelphia, but sometimes we get a 2%. A 5% with that highlight, that's something you really want to kind of sit up and pay attention to. It does indicate that there is enough potential, enough dynamic spin in the atmosphere that we could pick up a brief isolated tornado, at least in 1 or 2 spots today. And we have a slight risk for flash flooding as well. So just a little bit of everything today, and none of it is good. We'll start off with some sunshine. Don't be lulled into thinking it's a nice day, though. Be ready and have the umbrella handy. Here's a look at the timing of this, and you can see a few storms firing up. This is even 2:30 this afternoon. I think any storm that fires up out ahead of the main line along the cold front, those are the ones that may have the best risk of rotation. So probably the earlier side of this time frame, 3, 4 o'clock, that's when I think the best chance for a tornado warning. Then the heavy rain threat sets up right over I-95 here. That's about 4:30, 5 o'clock. Even though these storms will move quickly and be off the coast by around 8 o'clock, they will bring the risk for heavy rain in excess of 2 inches in spots in a very short period of time. So it's a high risk for damaging winds, a low risk for hail, moderate risk for a tornado with this system though, and a very high risk of flash flooding. That's likely our greatest impact here today. Take a look at how quick this hits. This is 2 o'clock. And by that point, not much has fallen rain-wise. By 7 or 8, we could see up to 3 inches around the city, possibly some spots picking up upwards of 3 inches in the highest amounts in the heaviest storms, over 2 inches possible down the shore. We get a little break from the humidity tomorrow and a drier day, some clouds down the shore, more sun inland, but then it steams up again over the weekend and we've got more showers. It's going to kind of lift along that same stalled front. It doesn't go far, and then Saturday starts with showers. I think it's kind of a shore spoiler with showers likely throughout the day and not much sun around the city either. We'll keep it cloudy and unsettled for your Saturday with showers and storms likely. Things do get better as we head into next week, though. Still a stray shower Sunday morning. We'll try to clear it out in the afternoon. For kids going back to school, though, on Monday, it looks beautiful. 80 degrees with low humidity, not too hot. You won't be sweating it out at the bus stop, which is some good news.